we are going to discuss about country specific chart of accounts. Operating chart of accounts. A chart of accounts, there is a three types of chart of accounts in SAP. One is operating chart of accounts, group chart of accounts, country specific chart of accounts. Operating chart of accounts in SAP FI, it contains the list of GL accounts which is used to record all financial related transactions for one or more company codes. It acts like a dictionary of accounts for the company. Each account has a number, name and purpose. Example like salary, expenses GL accounts, sales revenue GL accounts and cash accounts. These are all the examples. So without a chart of accounts, we cannot post any financial transactions in SAP system. Okay, this is nothing but operating chart of accounts and group chart of account. So there are so many examples which we already discussed, like cash account there is a one GL code, and salary expenses there is a one GL account code, and sales revenue there is a one GL account code. Okay, the operating chart of account is main chart of account which is assigned to our company code. It is used for day-to-day financial transactions posting. Okay, let's come to the group chart of accounts. A group chart of accounts is used for consolidated reporting at the group or corporate level, especially when we have multiple company codes in different countries. As we discussed last example, we can have a company code in India, if we can have a company code in USA. So if their own chart of accounts for multiple company codes, in such a case where we can use the same group chart of account for the both company codes, even though there is a different chart of accounts which is following. So the main purpose is consolidated reporting purpose and corporate reporting purpose, corporate level reporting purpose. So the next chart of accounts, please note it down. Country specific chart of accounts. A country specific chart of accounts which is used to meet local statutory legal requirements in different countries. Next point, some countries have mandatory account formats as per government rules. Next point, we can use country specific chart of accounts only for reporting, not for day-to-day postings purpose. Okay, so let's go to the next point. Country specific GL code we can assign under control data tab as alternative account field while creating the operating GL code or GL master data. While creating the operating GL master data. That means what I am explaining you. So we can have a operating chart of account, group chart of account, country specific chart of account. So here this operating chart of accounts which we can use for day-to-day transactional data posting purpose. For example salary. Salary we can use 4 lakh. We can use this 4 lakh GL master data. This is nothing but GL master data. GL master. This is nothing but group account number. For example, 400 as part of the group chart of account. Example for group chart of account. 400 country specific chart of accounts we can use as per the that particular local requirement purpose, statutory legal requirement purpose, we can use country specific chart of accounts. This is the example. This is example. So this is salary for a group chart of account. This is example salary. So if we can discuss about operating chart of accounts, the day-to-day business operations, business transactions, we can post. For example, we can post salary related transactions. What is the entry for salary related transactions? Debit,
Wages paid.
debit salary and credit cash or bank account, right? Cash or bank account. So this salary GL account, which GL account we can use? Always we can use operating chart of accounts GL code, which we can use for financial postings purpose. This is nothing but financial transactional data. This is nothing but financial transactional data. Financial transactional data, debit salary and credit cash or bank account. This is nothing but 4 lakh GL master data. So GL master data which we can use for 4 lakh. For cash or bank account, so assume example 1 lakh. Okay. So this is GL master data. 4 lakh is for salary GL account and cash or bank 1 lakh which we can use. So this is nothing but based on operating chart of accounts GL accounts which we can use and to post a financial related transactional data. Now this group chart of account, while creating this particular GL master data, while creating operating GL master example salary 4 lakh 4 lakh will assign group salary GL code GL master and country specific GL master, country specific GL master. So you can note it down here. So while creating operating GL master example salary, we'll assign group salary GL master. How much? What is the code? Group GL master data 400 is the GL master code. And country specific GL master data code 4000. So that means for day-to-day financial related transactional data purpose, always we can use the operating chart of accounts. How the group chart of account code? It will collect the data. The group chart of account, this particular code, it collect the data based on operating GL code. The assignment, based on the assignment of group GL master data code and country specific master data code, which is assigned while creating the operating GL master data code. That means 4 lakh salary GL master data 4 lakh example. So this is further linked to group chart of account code. This is nothing but operating GL. This is nothing but group GL account is nothing but 400 country specific. country specific GL code, GL account 4000. Example, while creating this operating GL master data, this group GL account number will assign inside in the operating GL salary GL master data. So group account number by default in SAP, this will call as a group account number. It will show the parameter group account number. So in SAP, while creating this particular operating GL account code, this one country specific GL account in SAP, it is showing while creating the operating GL master data alternative account. Alternative account. It will show the parameter alternative account. We can assign this country specific GL account for as part of the statutory legal requirement purpose, or that particular local legal requirement purpose, we can use this country specific chart of accounts. So we will not post any day-to-day financial related transactions to group GL account code and country specific GL account code. Always we can post operating GL master data. This group GL account code which collects the data based on your operating GL account master data. Even country specific chart of accounts also, this particular GL account code, it collects the data from operating GL account code. We will not post any financial related transactions directly to group account number or country specific chart of account number. Are you getting my point? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, audible.
Are you understand this concept? Anybody have any questions? Please note it down. Next point, country specific GL master data mapping under alternative account number. Country specific GL master data mapping under, this is country specific GL master data mapping under alternative account number. This is alternative account number while creating this particular operating GL master data. This is already noted down, I think, right? Okay, so this is nothing but country specific chart of accounts. Anybody have any questions till now about country specific chart of accounts?
No, do.
Others, are you able to understand, or can I repeat you again, or any concerns, any questions we can discuss? Please feel free to ask me any questions, we can discuss. I will try to clarify whatever you have the questions and concerns before going to the SAP system. So this is the topic. This is very important topic in interview perspective. In interview, they are asking what is meant by operating chart of accounts and group chart of accounts and country specific chart of accounts. Per company code, we can assign two chart of accounts. One is operating chart of accounts, another one is country specific chart of accounts if it is other country legal requirement purpose. It's purely depends on the business process and business scenario. Okay, we need to gather the requirement from the business, and we need to build the respective configuration and respective process related baseline configuration we have to build in the SAP system. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Anybody have any questions? Others also, I need answers from each and everyone. Please confirm. So no response means you understand or you're not able to understand. Hmm?
Understand.
So what about others? I need answers from each and everyone. So you,
Understand.
okay. Proactiveness is very, very important. So we need to understand the concept. Without understand the concepts, it's very difficult. If you do blindly whatever the configuration in the SAP system, there is no meaning. Okay. So I can explain you 3 times, 4 times until you understand the concept. But my main intention is you have to understand the concept. Okay. So let's go to the system. Please note it down. Define chart of accounts, transaction code, OB13. Let's go to the SAP system. So note down the path. SPRO, IMG, financial accounting. Under financial accounting, general ledger accounting. Under general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations. Under preparations, edit chart of accounts list. Click on edit chart of accounts list. Click on edit chart of account list. Click on new entries. So now we need to create a chart of accounts. So chart of account code, it is a 4-digit code. You can note it down. Chart of account code, any code, if it is a operating chart of account or group chart of account or country specific chart of account, it is a 4-digit code, numerical or alphanumerical code. It's up to you what code we need to maintain for our practice purpose. In case of in real time, we need to gather the requirement from the business. It's based on the business confirmation. There might be some naming and convention, and whatever the description and with respective business requirement, we have to build the respective chart of account configuration. So chart of accounts code, for our example, what is our group chart of account code? Why we are going to create first group chart of account code? If you can see here, the group chart of account GL, which we need to assign in operating chart of account GL. The same way, country specific GL, we can assign in operating chart of account GL, right? So that is the reason. So the first we need to create group chart of account in SAP system. For group chart of account code, what is our example which we have discussed? Group chart of account code JB GA, right? Okay. So group chart of account, group chart of account JB01 underscore 02. So it is a 4-digit code. We are just maintaining. This is nothing but a group chart of account. Okay. So maintain language. Which language we wanted to maintain this particular chart of accounts? So English language. And what is the length of group chart of account code? Length of GL account number. What is the length? So as per our example, if you can see here, group GL code, what is the length? 3-digit. As per SAP standard functionality, we can maintain up to 10 digits. It's a purely business requirement. how many digits business wants to maintain as part of the group GL code. This group GL code, there is a 3 digits also will be there. So what we can do is we need to follow same our example group GL account code. Let's give 3 GL 3 number, or else we can give 4 digit for group. Okay. So this is group chart of accounts. Anyway, we are creating the group chart of account code. We no need to update this group chart of account code here. While creating the operating chart of account, the group chart of account which we need to assign here. Now we are creating the group chart of account code. We don't need to update this particular group chart of account code. This is blocked status. If you select this particular indicator, we can block this group chart of account. That means it will not allow any group chart of account related accounts wherever it is mapping to our operating GL code. It will be not able to collect the data. Data means financial related transactions. Just press enter, click on save, and click on continue. So data was saved. Click on next entry. Now we need to create operating chart of accounts JBOP. This is operating chart of account. Operating chart of accounts for JB01_02 English language. How many digits we wanted to follow? If you can see here, operating GL account, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits we are following. 6 digits we are following. Just enter. Here, group chart of account code is there. Once we assign group chart of account code here, while creating the operating chart of account GL account code, we must enter group GL account number. If we are not update group GL account number, system will throw the error message. If you are not assign group chart of account code here, system will not ask any group GL account number while creating the operating GL account master data. Are you understand? So let's select group chart of account GL code. What is our group chart of account code? Just now we have created, right? JBGA. It's 100 only number of entry. We can give directly JBGA, just enter. Or else we can remove the 100 hits. We can put more than 100 hits. Then it will display this particular group chart of account code. Okay. We are mapping group chart of account code while creating operating chart of account. Just press enter, save. Data was saved successfully. So earlier group chart of account 4 digit. Now operating chart of account 6 digit. Country specific chart of account, let's maintain 5 digit. It's up to 10 digit code. We can maintain whatever the number digits. Okay. Click on next entry. Give the country specific chart of account code JBCA, country specific chart of account code JB02. This is only for JB02, not for JB01. Okay, select English, number, 5 digits which we can maintain. Group chart of account not required to update in country specific chart of account. This particular country specific GL code, it collects the data based on the operating GL code, operating GL master data, where we assign the respective country specific as per our example. You see this particular country related GL accounts which collects the data from operating GL account code while creating the operating GL master data. Okay, just press enter and click on save. Data was saved successfully. Okay, so now we have created 3 chart of accounts, right? Next step, assign company code to chart of accounts. Transaction code OB62. Go back. Now you can see 3 chart of accounts showing here: operating, group, country specific chart of accounts. Just go back. If we wanted to see our created operating chart of accounts, click on position and we can see our respective chart of accounts code. Okay, just go back, assign company code to chart of accounts. Click on same path, click on assign company code to chart of accounts. Click on position. What is our company code? JB01. Click on continue. Give chart of account. For India company code, we can follow the same operating chart of account code JBOP. But foreign company code also will follow the same chart of account JBOP. For foreign legal requirement purpose, for the country USA, we need to assign the country specific chart of account code JBCA. Just press enter. These 2 steps you can note down. This is assignment. Company code assigned to chart of accounts. Click on save. Save.